big sky is crying. That's mine. Nanay and Claire.
Ay, Nanay Claire, come here.
Surprise!
Hello!
Hello! Hello, KaFam. This is Nanay. Welcome to
Isang araw, isang pahina mula sa aming
magic!
Grabe, ang tagal namin hindi nakagawa ng vlog. Actually, today is pinapasadya ko talagang magpa-off ng Monday kasi ito lang talaga ang aking pahinga buong week. Diba? Every Monday. And now, it's the time na ang baby ay lumabas na! So tomorrow, uuwi na sila.
Yeah, baby swing how? Pitch the how?
We are going to unbox the baby crib. Bukas, so uwi na sila. So, kailangan namin i-prepare ang kanyang higaan ni Baby Sky.
Let's go! Wow, shorty, wow, yeah. I got the salad! Baby donut! Wow! Wow, it's so many, guys! I help you. There.
There!
Say thank you, Keke.
Thank you, Keke.
Welcome.
Up here.
Wow!
Lumabas ang turtle.
Look, oh. I see salad.
What?
I see salad, Nana.
Oh, you're excited. Oh my God, oh my
Whoa.
God. Hi.
This one, this is a
Manual.
Mama.
Ay!
Ay! What's that?
What's this? Wow, this is a storage basket.
Yeah. Nana is speaks. I help me.
Thank you, Claire.
You're welcome.
Yes. Oh, wow.
Sorry.
Narating na bahay ng dulo. Bakit di pa main ang puso?
Narating ba? Narating ba? Narating na bahay ng dulo.
Ang dulo.
Ang dulo.
Let's start!
Let's start.
Wait, this one is for... Alana, I forgot.
Ang dulo, ang dulo. Itenga ba? Puso, ang dulo, ang dulo. Kapay ko. I'm excited, guys.
Hindi ko maalala kung paano tinuro sa akin. Nagsisearch pa ako ng video kasi ang hirap niya talagang ilock yung rails. I cannot remember. Sa-search ko muna, guys, okay? Wait lang talaga.
Nanay, ito si Yuya. Hooray!
mukha siyang madali nung dinemo sa akin, pero ang hirap niya. Nag-search pa talaga ako ng video kung paano siya. Ang hirap pala, Kiki.
Oh, di ka po help
Oo, kailangan pang may maghawak sa akin ng isa pa bago ko siya ma-lock ng husto yung 4 na rails na to. Tracking bars, Kiki. Ito siya. Pag crib lang, inward position, ikakabit lang siya dito, oh. 2.
Yes.
Pag gustong rocking, gaganon lang. So, magiging rocking playpen na siya. 1, 2, 3, go! Ah, there. Nice.
Here's the portion now up and down.
Yes.
Oh, baby, oh, the town. Why can't walk from the going down? What is this, Nanay?
Okay, this one is para sa newborn. So, pag newborn kasi, hindi naman ilalagay ang baby sa bottom talaga. So, kailangan natin ng medyo higher place for baby para easy. Ayan. So, gagawin lang natin is i-attach lang by this elastic trim both sa rails. Okay, let's do it.
Yep. Yeah. And put this, get the guys, you.
Hindi mawawala ang ating toys for the baby and music. Cute! Yes, I'm a princess. Yan. Kunin na namin si Baby Sky. Okay, Claire will just wait here, okay, ha? Doon ang aming for little princess. Yes. We will get Baby Sky. What happened here? What happened to him? Oh. Baby Sky is crying.
That's mine. I can't go up you.
So Claire prepared a welcome painting or greeting for Baby Sky. So tell them, what did you paint?
Chicken and the big corn.
Then, what's this?
This is river.
River? What about this one?
Tree.
Ah, what's this?
Sun.
Oh, sun. How about this one?
Elephant.
Elephant. We also prepared a welcome banner for Baby Sky. Lola wrote it down. And then Claire Lily followed.
Guys.
Aww, yes. Bali-baliktad pa, oh. Letter W. Aww. We need more practice. Then, letter E. Baliktad din. Ayan.
This is your Baby Sky. Baby Sky, the sky, baby sky. Whee! My name.
Ay, so.